little trick riding. Well, that happens to be the grandson of our own Rhonda Zook. That is Easton, who's now turning the big 4. And yes, he does take after his papa in that picture. A very happy birthday to Easton in Columbus. Kid's fearless, man. I cannot believe he's 4.
All right, Charlie Inspinger turning 8 years old this year.
Say it. Say it. What is he doing?
He's
outstanding in his field.
He is. That's a really cool picture.
That is cool.
Of the wheat
There's a
field
gorgeous sky behind him. Wait, is that? Wait a second.
It is pretty cool, the sun.
No. Is that?
I don't know.
Yeah, those 2 towers. Yeah, and the third one. Yeah, it is. That's just outside the station.
Oh, well, that's cool. Are you sure?
I guarantee.
Are you sure? Well, I don't know. Well, he's from Moran. We know that. Hey, we want to know where this picture was taken.
Charlie, happy birthday. I guarantee it is. I know these towers. Charlie, that's a super cool picture, my man. That's awesome.
All right. Michael's looking at the details.
Yeah.
There we go.
No, that's really neat. We probably should say thank you to Charlie's mom and dad as well. Charlie's like, why am I standing in this field? Charlie's mom and dad are like, we're going to get a picture.
All right, Jackson Harper turning 8 years old as well. Check out that. Is that
Wow.
the Valentine's box? That's
Yeah,
super cool.
that's great.
Jackson is in Columbus.
That is too cool right there, man. All right, we've got Tatum Johnson is turning 9. Look at that hat.
Aw.
You wear it well, my friend. All right, Tatum, a very happy birthday in Oswego.
All right. And
Oh, Timber's back.
Timber Haslip. Okay, we did her birthday a little bit early because it's actually today. We announced it on Monday.
Somewhere distantly, I think that this, like my family and her family, probably if we go down the line. And so, Timber, I just wanted to get your birthday started early.
Yeah. Timber is 9 years old.
She got a week-long celebration out of it.
Yeah.
Briley Cook turning number 12. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? Look at the size of that thing.
It's a largemouth right there. Yep.
Nice job, Briley. That is awesome. That's a big number 12 birthday with happy birthday wishes coming from Papa Doug. And maybe that was Papa Doug that took her fishing.
Maybe.
Briley, if you and Papa Doug are going to catch fish like that, I would love to go with.
Well, in Frontenac, Jolie Johns is celebrating birthday number 12 this year. Hope you have a great one.
Happy birthday, Jolie. Sadie Fox is celebrating her 14th birthday. Sadie's in Girard. We got a little St. Mary's Colgan Pride right there. Have a great day, kiddo.
All right. And Evan Brewster turning 17 years old. Looks like he's the little Kansas City Chiefs fan there.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Evan.
Oh, this dude, now 17 as well. Happy birthday, Mr. Lane. Hey, Lane, I got to tell you this, man, on air. I got to tell you, this birthday wishes come with love from Mom and Dad. Happy birthday, Lane.
All right. Out in Jasper, Missouri, Jalen Buchanan turning 22 years old.
Who this is?
It's Bryce. So,
folks, I'm going to burn clock right here because this gentleman that you see right here it means the world to our station, and it means it's such a boon to have in the 4 states, and just one of the greatest people that you're ever going to be around. Bryce, we love you. Once this pandemic is over, man, we'll get to be around you in person more often. 26 years old. My goodness.
This must be some sort of a Disney shoot or something. That's
I
Princess
bet,
Ariel,
yes.
I think.
Knowing Bryce, I guarantee it was.
Cool.
Bryce, we know you're up, we know you're watching, and I want you to know we love you, buddy. And a very happy birthday in Pittsburgh.
All right, in Anderson, Missouri, Chris Cable turns 45 years old. That's a great picture there.
Those poor kids. I love that. Terry Bourne, a happy 71st birthday. Miss Terry, marvelous picture right there, is in St. Paul.
Like both teasing for the camera. And up in Humboldt, where they got a little bit of snow yesterday, Doug Leonard is 75 years old.
Yeah, happy birthday, Doug. And speaking of friends of the show, Faye Pack is turning 87. Happy birthday, Faye. And look at that marvelous addition that he has with him. Faye is in Chanute.
All right, in Joplin, celebrating birthday number 91, it's Bill Spencer. Of course, that's him there in the middle. Birthday wishes coming from his family and friends.
That looks like it was quite a party right there.
Yeah.
Dolores Brana, she is turning 94. Miss Dolores, we want you to have a marvelous birthday. She's in Nevada.
All right, Rebecca West in Webb City. Happy birthday,
Hey, what's up, Rebecca?
I haven't spoke to her in a minute.
I know.
All right.
I know.
And Lori Ellis.
I tell you what, you wouldn't miss Rebecca with that hair, though, would you?
No.
You
no.
knew it, yep.
Pretty red hair. Lori Ellis in Chanute. You got her picture?
There she
we
is.
go. Got her hands full, that's for sure. Happy birthday, Miss Lori.
Good picture. Let's go to anniversaries here. Get this, Lonnie and Peggy Yarnell. They've been married for half a century.
Wow.
Isn't that something else? You wouldn't even guess that, like, they don't even look 50 years old. Lonnie and Peggy, a very happy anniversary to you in Erie.
That's not the only 50th anniversary we're celebrating.
What?
Steve and Deanne Parsons are celebrating 50 years of Wedded Bliss. And got a little note here. They both served as educators in Southeast Kansas in Cherokee, Pittsburgh, Humboldt, and Chanute. Steve is actually in his 51st year as he now works for the Greenbush Education Center.
You know, 50 years of Wedded Bliss is pretty amazing. And I really think that the Yarnells and the Parsons are going to last what the pitchers did. You know what the pitchers did? 55 years.
Oh. That's a hit.
That means
and Linda pitcher?
That means turn the page, guys. Doug
Down
and Linda
in
pitcher.
Miami. There we go. Oh, and we got the throwback.
Oh my gosh.
I love it.
What a marvelous picture right there.
Love it, love it, love it.
Doug and Linda on their wedding day right there as they now celebrate 55 years. Congratulations, Doug and Linda. Friends, do you want to say congratulations to them?
He's not listening.
Okay, he's not. Congratulations, Doug and Linda. They are in Miami. So if you see the pictures out and about this weekend, tell them congratulations.
All right, our birthday list goes on. Miss Mila Yeager celebrating a birthday in Columbus.
And back to Miami, where Linda Roberts has a birthday as well. Happy birthday, Miss Linda. Now, here's where you can send them into, KOAMTV.com. Birthdays, making sure it's plural. Birthdays at KOAMTV.com or go to our website, KOAMNewsNow.com. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.